Chapter 9, Ma Liang's Magic Brush. Let's revise some words. Stones, S-T-O-N-E-S, stones. S-T-I-C-K-S, stick, sticks. Stones, sticks. A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared. A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared. D-R-E-W, drew. D-R-E-W, drew. S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S, soldiers. S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S, soldiers. One important thing, we use has for one person or thing. We use has for one person or thing and have with more than one person or thing. Have with more than one person or thing. Now question A, answer the following questions on page number 59. Question 1, how did Ma Liang draw pictures without a brush? Question A, how did Ma Liang draw pictures without a brush? Ma Liang जो है वो विदाउट ब्रश के कैसे पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करता था? आंसर 1, Ma Liang used to draw with stones, sticks and with his hand. Ma Liang used to draw with stones, sticks and with his hands. Question 2, who suddenly appeared before Ma Liang? एकदम से उसके सामने कौन appeared हुआ? What did he give him? और उसने उसे क्या दिया? Who suddenly appeared before Ma Liang? What did he give him? Answer 2, an old man appeared before Ma Liang. He gave him a brush. Answer 2, an old man appeared before Ma Liang. He gave him a brush. Question 3. Question 3. What did Ma Liang first draw and what happened? Ma Liang ने first time क्या draw किया और उसके बाद क्या हुआ? What did Ma Liang first draw and what happened? Answer 3. Ma Liang first drew a hand and it turned into a real hand. Ma Liang first drew a hand and it turned into a real hand. Question 4. What did the king ask Ma Liang to draw? King ने क्या बोला Ma Liang को draw करने के लिए? What did the king ask Ma Liang to draw? Answer 4. The king asked Ma Liang to draw a tree with gold coins. The king asked Ma Liang to draw a tree with gold coins. Question 5. Question 5. How did Ma Liang teach the wicked king a lesson? Ma Liang ने wicked king को कैसे lesson सिखाया? How did Ma Liang teach the wicked king a lesson? Answer 5. Ma Liang drew a hole. It turned into real hole and the king and his soldiers fell into it. Ma Liang drew a hole. It turned into a real hole and the king and his soldiers fell into it. Now come on the page number 59. Question B. Fill in the blanks. Once upon a time there was a boy called Ma Liang. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि हम किसी का नाम लिखते हैं तो शुरुआत हमको कैपिटल लेटर से करनी है. ओके. Once upon a time there was a boy called Ma Liang. Second, he was poor and he didn't have a brush. He was poor and he didn't have a brush. Third, he drew a hand and it turned into a real hand. He drew a hand and it turned into a real hand. Fourth, the king heard about the magic brush. The king heard about the magic brush. Fifth, Ma Liang told his people the story of the wicked king. Ma Liang told his people the story of the wicked king. Next question, question C. State true or false. First, Ma Liang was very rich boy. False statement. Second, the old man who appeared in front of Ma Liang had no beard. False statement. Third, Ma Liang drew an ox for the old woman. False. Now come on the page number 64th. Ma Liang drew a tree with golden coins for the king. False. Ma Liang drew a tree with golden coins for the king. False. Fifth, the king and his soldiers fell into the sea. False. Next question, question D. Put a tick on the correct option. First, Ma Liang was poor, rich, naughty. Right answer is poor. P-O-O-R, poor. Ma Liang was a poor boy. Second, the old man who appeared in front of Ma Liang with brush had long white beard. ये जो अपने ऑप्शंस हैं वो है लॉन्ग ब्लैक, लॉन्ग वाइट, नो. तो राइट आंसर इज लॉन्ग वाइट. The old man who appeared in front of Ma Liang with brush had long white beard. Third, the old woman, king, farmer. The king told Ma Liang to draw a tree with golden coins. Right answer is king. Ma Liang drew an X for the old woman. Ox, axe, both. Right answer is X. Ma Liang drew an X for the old woman. Fifth, Ma Liang drew a key to come out of the prison. Key, X, horse. Right answer is key. The Ma Liang drew a key to come out of the prison. Next, grammar. We use has for one person or thing. एक अगर पर्सन है या थिंग है तो हम वहाँ पर क्या यूज़ करेंगे, हैज़. एंड हैव विथ मोर देन वन पर्सन. और हैव कब यूज़ करते हैं अपन, जब एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन हो और थिंग्स हो, है ना. हैज़ एंड हैव आर यूज टू शो बिलोंगिंग्स व्हेन यूज्ड विथ नेमिंग वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शीला हैज़ a beautiful doll. Has and have show completed action when used with action word. For example, the teacher has taught the lesson. The teacher has taught the lesson. Question A, fill in the blanks with has or have. Has कब लगता है, जब सिंगल पर्सन हो या सिंगल थिंग हो. और have कब लगाएंगे हम, जब मोर देन वन पर्सन हो और थिंग हो. ओके. First, the dog. The dog has eaten its fruit. The dog has eaten its fruits. Next, all the students have written their notes. All the students have written their notes. Third, Mr. Verma has closed his shop. Fourth, I have, और I के साथ हमेशा have लगेगा, है ना. I have a new bag. My parents have brought a new house. 6, the birds have wings to fly. Now come on the page number 61. Question B, fill in the blanks with. Question B, fill in the blanks with is, am, are, has or have. First, my parents are angry with me. My parents are angry with me. He has, H-A-S, has. He has not returned my book. Third, Sonu has gone to Delhi last week. Sonu has gone to Delhi last week. Fourth, they are coming to meet us tomorrow. They are coming to meet us tomorrow. The guests have arrived. I have a stuffed toy. I have a stuffed toy. I am not going to school today. I am not going to school today. 8th, the bunny has eaten all the carrots. The bunny has eaten all the carrots. Next is write. Rearrange the sentence to make a story. ये आपको कुछ सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं, ये आपको अरेंज करना है. फर्स्ट है, once there was a beggar. Second, he was hungry. Third, he was begging for food in a street. Fourth, no one gave him food. Fifth, the king was passing through the street on his horse. The king gave him food. ये आपको बुक में ही करने, सारे बुक एक्सरसाइज आपको बुक में ही होमवर्क में करना है. यहाँ पर लाइंस दी हुई, यहाँ पे आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. नाउ कम ऑन द पेज नंबर 62. वर्ड पार. फर्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग एंड राइट देयर नेम्स. ये अपने को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसके नेम्स लिखना है. दिस इज वाटर कलर, crayons, color pencil, brush. Water color, crayons, color pencils, brush. Okay. Next question, question B. Match the word in column A with their naming meaning in column B. Column A, drawing, appeared, beard, chased, wicked. Column B, ran after, cunning, coming in front of, making pictures. E, hair growing on face. फर्स्ट वाले को अपन मैच करेंगे. ड्राइंग, मेकिंग पिक्चर्स. सेकेंड, अपीयर्ड, कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ. थर्ड, बियर्ड, हेयर ग्रोइंग ऑन फेस. फोर्थ, चेस्ड, रन आफ्टर. विकेड, कनिंग. लेट्स रिवाइज once again. ड्राइंग, मेकिंग पिक्चर्स, appeared, came in front of, beard, hair growing on face, chased, ran after, wicked, cunning. Okay. होमवर्क में आपको चैप्टर 9 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखना है. बहुत अच्छी हैंड राइटिंग में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है ना, जिससे जब अपना टेस्ट वगैरह होता है तो अपने को आंसर वगैरह अच्छे से आते हैं. और जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी भी टेस्ट नहीं दे पाए हैं वो प्रीवियस वीडियो देखकर अपने पेपर कंप्लीट करेंगे और आंसर शीट जो है वो आपको दिए हुए नंबर पे सेंड करना है. हैव ए नाइस डे.